Somewhere in the forest, you're almost sure to find an old, dead tree. And like an empty house, it looks sad and lonely and deserted, doesn't it? A woodpecker. He's busy drilling for beetles under the bark. Maybe this old tree isn't deserted after all. His nest may be inside that hole. In spring, thousands of bees and their young queens swarm to a new home, often to a hollow tree where they store their honey. A bear loves honey. He rips open the bee's tree and invites himself for lunch. Hear that? What is it? There are little black bear cubs in this old hollow tree playing and wrestling. This old tree certainly is not deserted. An old hollow log. Ants run in and out. Moss, mushrooms, grass, flowers. Not a sound. Not even a field mouse. It's a raccoon mother and her family. They seem to be right at home in the hollow of this old tree. Do you hear cats purring? The forest is full of sounds, and dead trees too. Well, now we know. It seems that bobcats make their homes in hollow trees too. See, the wood duck built her nest on the highest spot she could find. Her little wood ducklings are ready to fly for the first time in their lives, as soon as they work up enough courage. The old dead tree certainly is popular. There's a squirrel. If we look inside the tree, we'll see the squirrel's store of acorns for winter. Let's see your nest, little squirrel. Don't be afraid. The squirrel nest looks pretty comfortable inside this dead tree. We'd never have known it was there if we hadn't looked. Here's another animal that makes good use of an old, dead tree. The North American tree porcupine often chooses a hole in the tree for its home. What kind of animal lives in this old log, I wonder? Choice location. Nice view of the pond. Next door to the beaver's new dam. Look at the mink. They live in this old tree close to the beach. Must be some mink babies in there. Papa Mink goes to the pond for frogs and fish for lunch. And next door is a skunk. Skunks make nice, friendly little pets, but don't frighten them. You know what might happen. All of these animals make their homes in dead trees, but not all in the same tree, of course. Do you know of any others